In his Chesapeake home, a world away from the Middle East, Toby Yarborough still feels the impact of a 2002 Army mission that left him with a back broken in 3 places, a traumatic brain injury, and PTSD that haunts him to this day.
I had to go through a lot of surgery and physical therapy and rehab and everything else.
His story will soon debut in the documentary The Quiet Healing, based on a book he wrote of the same title. It charts the impact 2 service dogs, first Duke and now Sasha, have played in keeping him going. Duke, who passed last year, helped Yarborough navigate the world, knowing how to alert before a seizure and help him through one.
He kind of was my caregiver for 24/7, and he was a blessing. I mean, he taught me how to live life again.
That job has now fallen to Sasha.
Go get meds.
One of the things Sasha is trained to do is this: retrieve Toby's seizure medications wherever they might be in case of an emergency. For filmmakers Andrew Lauto, Jacob Woodward, and Dave Allegre, the documentary has been a labor of love and a story they felt compelled to tell.
Just seeing firsthand how Duke and Sasha are just so in tune to Toby and his needs, and the fact that they can improve his quality of life the way that they do.
It's a message of hope and inspiration
To let them know that, you know what, there is help out there.
that may just help save another life. In Chesapeake, Todd Carrillo, News 3.